Hi everyone, my name is Esteve, and together with Hyemin and Dongheui, we present our work Intention Condition Long-Term Human Egocentric Action Anticipation. Long-term action anticipation is the research field that aims to predict the actions that the human most likely will do in the long-term future based on the past. For instance, imagine that I cut a tomato and then cut an onion. What will I do next? Well, the future has infinite number of outcomes, but there are some which are more possible than others, so we can somehow limit this future. In this talk, we propose to narrow the possible outcomes by conditioning them with the human intention. This intention will be obtained from the observation of the past of the human and will guide anticipation for the future. Then, if you know that I want to make a salad, you can predict better the ingredients and the steps that I will do next, which would actually differ a lot from the case where I want to make a hamburger. Well, we divide our proposal in a two-step framework. First, we recognize the human sequence of actions in the past and the high-level intention from a sequence of I-CVAE videos. Second, we use this predicted information to anticipate the future actions. Now we will detail each part independently. Our first model recognizes the human intention and the sequence of actions using a trimmed video. We use a pre-trained backbone and an MLP mixer to get a sequence of action representation from the video. Then we classify each representation into a verb-noun pair, such as poop sink, move jack, for instance, which are shown in blue. Finally, all the action representations are combined to a high-level human intention, shown in purple. Our second step is to use this previously predicted information to anticipate the sequence of future actions. For that, we train a conditional variation Auto-Encoder using a transformer model to learn the dependencies between the high-level intention, the past, and the future actions. However, in the reality, we only have access to the past information. That's why our decoder is able to reconstruct these future actions conditioned by the intention and the past actions. Our whole framework has been trained and evaluated in the Ego4D dataset, which is the most extensive egocentric dataset available nowadays. We reported our results based on the standard edit distance metric. We tested our models in the Ego4D long-term anticipation challenge, and we followed their proposed evaluation procedure. We aim to anticipate 20 actions in the future from 2 to 8 actions of the past. Our work ranked first on both the CVPR and ECCV 2022 Ego4D challenges celebrated. As it is shown in this table, we are able to predict better the nouns and the actions than the state of the art. Finally, we have also performed an ablation study to demonstrate the importance of using the intention to condition the future actions for a different number of observed actions n. Not using the intention causes a big degradation of the performance of our model, mainly when anticipating the correct nouns. In conclusion, our two-step framework can anticipate better the long-term sequence of actions by narrowing the future through the intention, showing the importance then of defining different levels of abstractions. Our model outperforms the state-of-the-art and had resulted winner of the proposed Ego4D long-term anticipation challenges. That said, thanks a lot for your attention, and also thanks to all the other authors and also to the Perseo project.